Hi everyone. Today we're going to create a vision board on our phone. So what we need to do is go into Canva. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to create a 2025 vision board for our phones. This is a great thing to have on your phone. We all know that we look at our phone many times during the day and night, and it's good to have it as a reminder and to see what things that you're looking to achieve in 2025. So let's go. We'll head over to Canva, and I'm creating this design in Canva using the free version. You can use Pro version if you like. It does give you more options for photos and elements, but this one can definitely be made in Canva free version. What we want to do is we want to do custom size. So the size for our phone is going to be 1080 by 1920 pixels. Create design. What do you want to think about for the vision board is what things are important to you in 2025. What things would you like to achieve? So I've picked out a few for myself. This is quite personal for you. Have a think about what things and what goals you want to achieve in 2025 so that you'll know which ones and what photos and that you're going to need. So what we're actually going to do today is create the background, add some photos. So these photos can be stock photos from Canva. You can get photos from free websites. You could also choose images from Creative Fabrica, or you could actually use your own. So we're going to add some photos. Then we're going to put some words in. We're going to put a little calendar in as well, and join or tie everything together. So first of all, we're going to look for a background. So when you're looking for a background, think about that you're actually going to be adding pictures on top of that. So if your background is really bright and has a lot going on, that it could actually distract from the actual goals and photos that you're going to add. So I'm looking for a light background. I quite like watercolors. So I'm just going to go in here and have a look for feeling the pink vibe this year. Looks okay. All right, so we're just going to make that actually fit. And then we're just going to delete what we don't need. Okay, so I've thought about what I would actually like to add to my vision board. So I'm going to go down here and I'm just going to bring in some or look for some photos that I'd like to have a look. Travel, I like to do more traveling. The ones with the Pro, you can use them if you've got a Pro account. If you don't, then we're just looking for photos or images. Quite like that one. Now, because this is going on our phone, we just need to be aware that we need to leave room on either side just so that it fits nicely and we get to see everything on our phone. Continuing friendship 2025, flowers and gardening. Gonna add that there. I love Bali, so even though I've got traveling to Bali on there as well, just for extra weight loss, fitness. I think this is one for everyone every year. I just definitely like to improve my fitness and do some more yoga, implement that more into my life. So we'll put that in there. Family. Abundant. One of the reasons I've started doing this side hustle is that I am wanting to be more financial free so that I can do all the things that I want to do. At the moment, that is wanting to travel more. And something around career, business. I'd like to grow my internet business more this year. I had one of these vision boards on my phone last year, and I have to say that you do look at it every day, and I found it very useful, and a lot of the things on that vision board actually came into fruition. So I can highly recommend having them. Now you could add instead on top of this, like I said, it's very personal. You could add a saying, a motto, a script from the Bible, anything. Just remember to make it your own. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to put some words on here. So instead of just putting it as text, I'm actually going to see if I can find a label or even like tape or something to add the text on top of. Elements, labels, looking at graphics. Now, does that look like? Mind that one. So we're just going to duplicate. So we've got one for each. Okay, so next we want to go to text, add a text box. Now I'm going to change the font, just bring it down a bit. All right, so travel, add up a bit, bring that in a bit. Okay, so we can duplicate that. Way we have all the same font size to start with. Friendship, yeah. Fitness. Oh, so that's a bit big. So we'll just, actually I want to have that as 2 words. So I'll just click on that, make that bigger. Emily business. I might make that 2. Make that a bit bigger. Bring that there a bit. Line, go back and line everything up so it looks good. Okay, I'm going to have to. Alright, I'm just going to group these together so that it's easier to move. Bring that one up from the bottom a bit. Okay, that looks good. Now let's add in a calendar. I actually had one from one of my planners. So next we're going to add a 2025 calendar. Add that into the corner. Go back to elements and we're going to find it nice 2025 like that one, so we can stick that up in the corner. And then let's add the word vision. So let's have that in a nice cursive, my favorite one. I might like to bigger. Okay, so I'm quite happy with that. Once we've added the vision board text, I want to add or connect all of these together. So I'm going to go and look for, when I try connection, see what comes up. And we want graphics. I'm just having a look through. Does this one look like? Okay. Let's see, we can change the color to white. Okay, that's probably too light. It's quite nice. So I'm actually just going to duplicate that. And then just add it and duplicate. I like that. Duplicate. Okay, so now they're actually all in front of the images. So we're going to click on Layer, Show Layers. And so all these ones up the top are the ones I've just done. I'm going to click on there, Shift key, like put them all together, and we're going to group. And then I'm actually going to bring them down to above. So that therefore they're actually behind everything. All right, that doesn't look too bad. So I'm quite happy with that. So now that we've done that, we can share and download as a JPEG. And once it's downloaded, we can upload it to the wallpaper on our phone. Now, the other option, if you are doing this on your computer, is to get the Canva app on your phone, log into that, and then you can actually download it directly to your phone, to your photos, and then you can upload it onto your phone as the wallpaper. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial and that you create the vision board for you for 2025. Just remember that it's very personal, so make it something for you. And remember, throughout the year, you can definitely go back and change it. Have a lovely day. Bye, everyone.